He's your brother, Dylan.
I don't mean nothing.
They got a picture. Are you serious?
What, darling?
How to?
Yes. How to.
Put them in
Directions too.
Wash your hands. Take the product out of wrapper by tearing it along the dotted line and remove the tampon
Jack, get down. Get down.
while holding the tube. Don't record me. Inserting the tampon.
Whoa!
Well, darling, you ain't gonna do it.
This is too vulgar to read. Comfortable position, either sitting.
I know.
What is this?
Identification card. When you get kidnapped, it tells you about who you are.
Don't you want money?
No, there ain't no money in there.
When you get a wallet, it's supposed to be $5 in there.
That's what I thought.
Insert the tip of the applicator into your vagina. Until your fingers are just touching your body. Fully insert the tampon.
He's blushing while he's reading.
This is vulgar. David, cover your ears. Push the inner tube.
There's a picture in there.
You point it all the way into the outer tube.
Here's your watch.
Ugh.
What are they watching now?
I have no idea.
The string should be outside of your body. Is that the little dangly part?
Yes.
Do you remove it? Do you just
You
hang?
just leave it there, darling.
It just hangs? What?
Yes.
Why don't you just cut it off?
Because you gotta get it out somehow.
You just dig it in there.
Oh, wow. Yeah, don't use the salad tongs.
There's a string. Removing the tampon. Relax.
Relax.
With gentle, constant pressure on the string at the same angle as the tampon. Don't forget to change your
Full mounted
tampon
jacket.
at least every 4 to 8 hours and remove each tampon.
Change it.
Maybe I should have bought the 36 pack set. It says, what? Wait, what is it? 4 to 8 hours? Good Lord, you women bleed.
You don't even know.
God.
Are you posting this on YouTube?
Michael bought a pack of condoms one day.
Absorbency. Use the lowest absorbency
absorbent,
for your
y'all.
needs. Regular, light. What are you? Light, medium, or heavy? Is that like?
It's been different.
Is that how much you bleed?
Yes.
Okay, how much do you bleed?
Depends on the month, darling.
Well, this May. Well, how
This
much-
month?
Yeah, today's May.
Like medium, lightish, somewhere
This is
around there.
freaking regular. This is light. You told me to get.
Exactly,
you need
darling. I don't
super.
need anything better than
You
that.
need super.
No, I don't, darling.
If you guys want to put the duct tape on my mouth, I want to like scream, give us something to eat!
Chocolate chip.